Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix checkout error on Lazada app. So in order to fix the checkout error on Lazada app, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to make sure to open up the Lazada app. The first thing or the basic steps you want to follow is check your internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable network, then it could be an error. So you want to make sure to check for an stable internet connection. And likewise, other than that, you could also make sure to go to your account section. And when you go to the account section, you want to check for the payment. And when you go to the payment section, you want to make sure to update your payment method. Sometimes it could be an error with the debit card or the credit card itself, so you could replace it with the other one. Or if you have entered incorrect information, that could also be one of the reasons why you're having issue when checking out on Lazada app. Apart from it, you could also have insufficient fund. That is why you're unable to make a further procedure. So you could check for the account balance or maybe refunded, and that might be able to fix. If nothing works out, then you could try uninstalling the Lazada app and reinstalling it at the same time, restart your device, and that is gonna definitely help you out to fix. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.